This doesn't seem stable. What are you making?
Toast and jam.
Toasted jam?
Yeah, we should have bought eggs. We should buy eggs anyways so we could have it with our ramen.
Is this a brand name?
I don't know. This is fancy jam.
Let me see this.
$5 jam.
$5 jam.
Hi guys. Second day in Iceland. How you feel?
Pretty energized. Good sleep.
You did?
Decent sleep.
Oh.
Decent sleep.
Oh yeah, what about you? You didn't get good sleep?
What are you doing, Jackie?
I'm decorating a book that don't matter.
What are you drawing? A puffin? Ooh.
Alright guys, room tour. Our first guest house in Iceland. This is the first couch bed that we have. The kitchen's over here. This is the bathroom. Let's see. Everything looks a bit messy right now. This is because I'm showing you after the stay. Yesterday was so dark at night and I was so tired that I couldn't sleep. This is the view of our place in the morning. So of course we didn't get to see the northern lights yesterday. Our first attempt at staying up late, and there was nothing around 10 a.m. We set an alarm for 12 a.m. and still nothing. Was there anything? Did you stay up?
I stayed up a little bit.
You stayed up a little bit?
Yeah.
I'm sure everyone crashed. So after a short hour drive, we're here at the Seljalandsfoss, where we're going to see a big waterfall. Overnight wasn't bad. It was really windy. You can hear the wind from where we were sleeping. So yesterday we tried to get a glimpse of the northern lights, but we weren't able to see it even at midnight when we set an alarm to wake up. So we kind of gave up on that because it was pretty cloudy, but we'll try to catch a glimpse tonight. We're going to be in Vik. Alright guys, we're finished with the falls. We are at the second stop for the day, and that is going to be the Skógafoss Falls. We are going to climb 300 steps to get to the top. It's over there. So the driving here is really not bad at all. I think we lucked out because the weather has been pretty okay. We've had to get gas once, and we were able to do so at one of the gas stations that had a person inside the store, so we were able to just pay with a credit card. I was told to use a gas card, but we haven't had a chance to find the gas card.
Can you grab our water? It's in the passenger.
So my companions need water to climb 300 stairs. So we're going to be climbing these stairs, and I'll get back to you guys when I get to the top. Seems stable. I don't know if it's 300 stairs. We're almost at the top. I think it didn't take more than 10 minutes to get up. It's not as bad as the Hawaii one because that one was extremely hot on the Coco Crater. You made it. How was it? Better be worth it. Better be worth it. So we're at the top of the waterfall. So we're at the top of the Skógafoss Waterfall. You can see behind me all the tourists trying to take the photos. If you were to ask me, was the staircase hard? You came here all the way, you might as well go as far as you can go. So that's the falls right there. You can see all the floor is ice. What do you think about this floor? Chance for disaster?